Welcome to another CMD tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the command prompt. Alright, first up we're going to want to open up our command prompt right here. CMD, hit on command prompt. So for example, if you have a ton of commands right here, I'm just going to type in some necessary commands, okay? Like that, and D, just like that. So for example, you have a ton of commands right here that doesn't work, or you get plenty of errors and you wanted to erase it all. So what we're going to do is just type in CLS. All right. Once that's done, just hit on enter. That's basically how you do it. Or another option to clear everything up is just go ahead and close the command prompt and run it again. That's basically how you do it. That's how you clear CMD. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.